मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do? What should I do? आपको सावधान रहना चाहिए। You should be careful. You should be careful. आपको इससे दूर रहना चाहिए। You should stay away from this. You should stay away from this. मुझे पता होना चाहिए था। I should have known. I should have known. आपको उनसे पूछना चाहिए था। You should have asked them. You should have asked them. तुम्हें घर जाना चाहिए। You should go home. You should go home. आपको जंक फूड खाना बंद कर देना चाहिए। You should stop eating junk food. You should stop eating junk food. शायद हमें घर जाना चाहिए। Maybe we should go home. Maybe we should go home. हमें वहां जाना चाहिए। We should go there. We should go there. तुम्हें कार चलाना सीखना चाहिए। You should learn to drive a car. You should learn to drive a car. मुझे वो नहीं करना चाहिए था। I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that. मुझे कल आना चाहिए था। I should have come yesterday. I should have come yesterday. उस पर आँच नहीं आनी चाहिए। She should not be harmed. She should not be harmed. मुझे ये नहीं कहना चाहिए था। I shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have said that. आपको यह सब समझ जाना चाहिए था। You should have understood all this. You should have understood all this. क्या मुझे उसे फोन करना चाहिए? Should I call him? Should I call him? तुम्हें उस समय घर पर होना चाहिए था। You should have been at home at that time. You should have been at home at that time. मुझे इसकी जांच करनी चाहिए थी। I should have checked it out. I should have checked it out. क्या हमें उन्हें जाने देना चाहिए? Should we let them go? Should we let them go? आपको ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए। You should not think like this. You should not think like this. तुम्हें उसे देखना चाहिए था। You should have seen her. You should have seen her. अब यह तैयार हो जाना चाहिए। It should be ready now. It should be ready now. एक बात जो आपको जाननी चाहिए। One thing you should know. One thing you should know. आपको कोशिश करना चाहिए। You should try. You should try. तुम्हें अपने आप पर शर्म आनी चाहिए। You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. आपको ऐसा ही करना चाहिए। You should do the same. You should do the same. तुम्हें भी आना चाहिए था। You should have come to. You should have come to. तुम्हें पहले ही मुझे बता देना चाहिए था। You should have told me earlier. You should have told me earlier. गाड़ी चलाते समय आपको हमेशा सीट बेल्ट पहननी चाहिए। You should always wear a seat belt while driving. You should always wear a seat belt while driving. तुम्हें इतना नहीं खाना चाहिए। You shouldn't eat so much. You shouldn't eat so much. उसे तैरना सीखना चाहिए। She should learn how to swim. She should learn how to swim. ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए था। Shouldn't have said that. Shouldn't have said that. उसे तुम्हें फोन करना चाहिए था। She should have called you. She should have called you. उन्हें यह करना चाहिए। They should do this. They should do this. आपको क्या लगता है उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए? What do you think they should do? What do you think they should do? तुम्हें उसे नहीं पूछना चाहिए था. You shouldn't have asked him. You shouldn't have asked him. तुम्हें तैयार हो जाना चाहिए. You should get dressed. You should get dressed. तुम्हें मेरा शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए. You should thank me. You should thank me. तुम्हें उससे कुछ सीखना चाहिए. You should learn something from her. You should learn something from her. मुझे वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए था. I shouldn't have gone there. I shouldn't have gone there. तुम्हें उससे इस तरह से बात नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. You shouldn't have talked to him like that. You shouldn't have talked to him like that. आपको उसे इस तरह परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए. You shouldn't bother him like that. You shouldn't bother him like that. उसे जल्द ही आ जाना चाहिए था. He should have come soon. He should have come soon. आपको सच बताना चाहिए. You should tell the truth. You should tell the truth. हमें अपना कीमती वक्त बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहिए. We shouldn't waste our precious time. We shouldn't waste our precious time.